Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my uKlaa review. We're going to be taking a close look at uKlaa, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with uKlaa. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. uKlaa launches on the 10th of August by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So this is a traffic software. uKlaa is a traffic software that allows you to use other people's content. Now you are going to be able to do this legally because it allows you to search for YouTube videos with the Creative Commons license, meaning you have the license or you have the permission to use these videos. Basically repurpose these videos, so to speak, for your own profits. Now you are going to be able to live stream these videos. Now you can download this, you can edit this. Of course, there are so many ways you could edit your video. I'm also going to be adding this somewhere in my bonuses. I'm going to be giving you a link to download some premium video editing software that allows you to edit videos even up to 4K. Now you can basically use this to edit videos professionally, and then you can actually upload. And this kind of video actually get better ranking because of their quality. Now you'll be able to live stream these videos. Live streaming allows you to get a ton of traffic just simply because it allows you to rank better on Google. Which means you are getting more exposure for your videos. You can basically put affiliate links in the description of your videos to start getting paid from these videos. So there are so many advantages that come with live streaming, especially when you don't even have to create your own videos yourself. So I'm going to show you my custom bonuses, and I'm also going to show you through the members area to let you see how uKlaa works. My first bonus, you're going to be getting access to Octagon Pro. This is a cloud-based traffic software that allows you to get free traffic on demand. You are also going to be getting access to done for you product reviews with your own affiliate links. Now this has both ClickBank and Warrior Plus products reviewed on this site, and you'll be getting access to all of these. The advantage with ClickBank is you don't need to wait for approval to get your affiliate links, and it's also free to sign up. Warrior Plus is also free to sign up, so to speak. So with ClickBank, all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID and add it to your Octagon Pro profile, and then you are good to go. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to some HD intro videos. You can basically use this with your videos to actually make them come alive. You can use this for your YouTube videos as intro, and this actually captures people's attention and make them want to see what the video is all about. And also bonus number 3, you are going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates. These are totally customizable, and you don't need any special software to customize these templates. All you need is load them up in PowerPoint, which I believe everybody has if you are using Windows. Just load them up, and you can basically edit these videos, edit these templates, and you can export them to get MP4 videos that you can use on YouTube. You can use this on Vimeo. You can use this on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or basically TikTok, any other platform that allows you to share videos to get some traffic. And also bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to Equinox. You're going to be getting access to the Pro version, and this allows you to ethically hijack links from authority YouTube channels. You're going to be getting access to videos that are still getting a ton of views, and then you're going to be able to hijack these links and then redirect them to your own affiliate offers, your own products, your website, your blog, or wherever it is you want to get traffic from. And also bonus number 5, yet another software you are going to be getting access to Commission Flex, and this gives you access to done for you squeeze page templates for affiliate marketing. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is slap in your affiliate links, and this also comes with done for you giveaways, meaning you are going to be able to build your list while making money from affiliate offers. And also, bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to a training from me. I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to drive some high quality buyer traffic from Quora. I do this every day to make affiliate commissions, and I'm going to be revealing to you how you too can start getting some high quality traffic. You're going to be getting access to this in form of video training from me. And also, bonus number 7, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your purchase receipt on Warrior Plus, and the vendor bonuses are going to be delivered to you in your members area of uKlaa. And all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, which is going to take you to the sales page of uKlaa, where you'll be able to pick it up and where you are going to be getting full information about the uKlaa software. So here it says, now ethically steal other people's content and turn them into passive income in just 3 steps. 24 hours income stream, 0 monthly fees, built-in free traffic system. Come check out the video presentation. This goes live by, I guess, 10 a.m. This goes live by 11 a.m. 10th of August. So feel free, come check out this sales page anytime from 10 a.m. From 11 a.m. 10th of August. This is where you will be able to pick up uKlaa. There's also proof of results right here. Of course, you will also be getting access to training that show you how to use this and also how to profit with uKlaa. So this is the dashboard. This is pretty easy to use. Let's go to video, and then to create video, you can see your created videos that you've previously created. To create video, you can just click on create video. Now you can basically search, you can import, meaning if you have a video, you can basically go ahead and still import this, but you can search for videos also. Let's just say weight loss, and it's going to go and search for videos that you have permissions to use, meaning you basically don't have to create content yourself. And there we go, you have access to videos that you can basically use. You can import this video and then you can basically use them. You can edit them, you can upload, you can then go ahead and upload these videos. Now you need to connect the channel to which you want to upload this video, and that's actually the first thing you need to do. And then you can basically upload video. I just clicked on upload video right now, and this basically allows you to live stream to whichever channel you want to live stream to. So you can just select the video, your keyword, weight loss tips. I'm just going to video title, weight loss tips, description, and then tags. Let's say weight loss. So you have everything filled up. Select your video, your keyword, your video title, description, tags, and you can see everything is marked green here, meaning you are good to go. And basically the next thing is you want to send this video straight to YouTube. Now you can schedule the live streaming. You can post now, of course, and also you can basically schedule this to go out in the future, which is basically amazing. So this is basically a traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using the live stream feature, which is proven to get you some exposure, better rankings, and ultimately those sales and those commissions with affiliate marketing. So that's going to be my review for uKlaa, and the front end price goes for a one-time fee of 17. This gives you access to all those features, give you access to the live streaming feature. The first optional upgrade is the automation. The second is the unlimited. You have the third, you have the done for you edition that goes for 197. Upgrade number 4 is monetization that goes for 197. Also, upgrade number 5 is limitless traffic for 365 days. Upgrade number 6 is the reseller edition, where you can basically resell the whole funnel and keep 100% profit across the whole funnel. Of course, the upgrades are optional, and even if all you get is just the front end, you'll still be getting all my bonuses 100%. So that's going to be my review for uKlaa. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.